Well, bank robbers aren't the only ones who may empty out your safe deposit box. Only on 5, Julie Watts reports that some customers are complaining that they were blindsided when their bank drilled open their safe deposit boxes. Now they're missing tens of thousands worth of valuables.
It's not replaceable.
Family heirlooms, jewelry she wore on her wedding day, gone forever. After Michael and Maggie say Bank of America drilled and emptied their safe deposit box without any warning.
So this goes with the missing jewelry?
Yes, they just took it.
A single tag, all that was left in their drilled box after the bank shipped the contents to a holding center on the East Coast.
They just ship it in a box like this. All my jewelry, my treasure.
The couple asked we not reveal their real names for security, but say when the bank eventually shipped some of their stuff back, $17,000 worth of jewelry was still missing. And what they did get back?
Stuff in here. So it took us over 1 hour to untangle it.
Several delicate pieces left damaged or broken.
Everything was dumped in this plastic bag.
Wendy Wu's experience was strikingly similar. She says her B of A safe deposit box was also drilled without notice. Her mother's jewelry, also shipped back via UPS, damaged and in disarray.
Safe deposit box, that's what the name is for, safe.
And attorney Chris Land says his clients lost more than jewelry when B of A emptied their safe deposit box without notice.
Bank of America lost the original deed to real property in China.
He says they may lose the property. Regulators say banks may drill a safe deposit box without permission due to a court order, warrant, non-payment, or if the bank is closing a branch. However, those reasons didn't apply to any of the people who came to us.
They claim one of the signers' information was missing.
They claimed my social security is not there.
They said that they were missing the date of birth and address of one of the co-renters of the box.
All information the bank is required to get before opening an account under the Federal Bank Secrecy Act. B of A claims it sent letters requesting the missing information.
We never got it.
There's no evidence of any registered or certified mail.
And I asked them to produce the letter. They never did.
The bank later provided copies of 2 of those letters allegedly sent in November of 2015. The boxes were drilled 10 to 15 months later.
Meanwhile, our clients were going in and out of the bank with regular banking.
I went there every few months.
They never informed me.
And all 3 customers point out they had other accounts the bank could have cross-referenced.
I currently have 17 different safe deposit litigations that I've been hired as an expert witness on.
Dave Guinn is a well-known bank safe deposit consultant and says the bank should have flagged all their accounts to notify them in person of the missing information. Federal regulations are clear. Banks must provide customers with adequate notice.
A notification should be made either by registered letter or by certified return receipt letter,
which B of A did not do. In a statement, the bank said, "We notify customers by mail in accordance with law prior to drilling a box and have protocols to verbally communicate the matter when the customer comes into the financial center to access their box." That didn't happen in these cases. Most people don't realize safe deposit boxes are not insured unless you purchase a separate policy, and the bank's liability is limited under the rental agreement.
The FDIC does not insure boxes.
Jerry Poulard of the Safe Deposit Insurance Corporation says over the past 3 years, approximately 50,000 boxes and $1.3 billion worth of property has been impacted by things like theft, floods, fires, and other natural disasters. However,
we have no way to track how many boxes have been drilled and the amount of property that's been taken by banks.
Banks are not required to report that to regulators, and insurance policies don't cover items lost when the bank drills your box.
This is for my grandma.
After we got involved, the bank did agree to reimburse Michael and Maggie for their lost jewelry and pay to repair Mrs. Wu's. But as it turns out, in at least 2 of these cases, the missing information wasn't missing at all.
The original agreement for the box shows that they had all of that information.
Social security number is there, date of birth is there, everything.
$17,000 worth of jewelry and a property in China gone due to missing information the bank had all along.
I just got robbed from the bank. They just took my stuff.
Now, consumers can file a complaint with the Comptroller of Currency, which regulates safe deposit boxes. We found B of A accounts for about 20% of their recent drilling complaints. The agency tells us it does have broad authority to take supervisory action. However, the agency doesn't generally take enforcement action on behalf of consumers. So unless your losses are significant, experts say consumers have little recourse in these cases. In the newsroom, I'm Julie Watts.